Hi everyone, and welcome back to ViewSonic. I'm Courtney Rogers, and today we're going to be unboxing the ViewSonic X1-4KPro, one of our home entertainment projectors designed for the ultimate 4K UHD experience. Let's go ahead and take a deeper look into the ViewSonic's X1-4KPro projector. Inside the box, you get a remote control, a USB-C cable, the power cable, and the quick start guide. Equipped with a fast 240 Hz refresh rate, the X1-4KPro is built to provide ultra-smooth visuals for both high-speed action games and movies on screens up to 150 inches. It's also designed for a partnership with Microsoft in mind, optimizing Xbox gameplay anywhere, anytime. With 1440p native Xbox resolution at 120 Hz refresh rate, the X1-4KPro projector provides the perfect balance between incredible visuals and accuracy for all of your Xbox gaming. Now, if you need to take a step away from the gaming controller, the X1-4KPro is perfect for watching TV shows and movies, as it delivers a true 4K HDR immersive virtual experience. Bundled in with a 2500 ANSI lumens, 60,000 hour lifespan and its advanced LED technology, you can expect years of brilliant performance without the need of bulb replacements. With built-in Google TV, the X1-4KPro makes it easy to stream your favorite content directly from your projector, especially with its theater-level sound from Harden Kardon, making sure you will be fully immersed with any content you're streaming. Installation is also a breeze with its incredible flexible V-lens shift, optical zoom, and side projection capabilities, making it easy to set up in any room. On the back for connectivity, you have USB-C, multiple HDMI ports, and RS-232 with audio out included. Whether you're gaming or enjoying movies, the ViewSonic X1-4KPro projector offers cutting-edge performance with a 4K HDR experience and gaming-ready features. If you have any questions regarding the 4K Pro or any of our other product categories, please stop by at ViewSonic.com to learn more. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you for the next one.